Hello, welcome to the Scale Modelling Cafe. Welcome back to the cave. And yeah, just got back about an hour or so ago and thought I'd open up this rather large pile. So I might split this into two, depends how long this goes on for, but we'll get cracking straight away for this this time's unboxing video. Now, there's been some comments about the knife. I've taken them on board, so I've got one of these this time. There we go. Right, first of all, so this is from Matt. Those of you who've been watching the weekly updates will know what's in here. Right, very well packaged, mate. Well done. Right, let's see the best way to... I'll tell you what, I think I know what the best way is. Let me... If I put it on both sides, I can push it out. Okay. Apparently plastic bags can be dangerous. Who knew, eh? Oh, crumbs. Right, I'm trying to keep this because I'm going to need to wrap it up because I'm taking it back out with me straight away next week. But we have the Kotare Spitfire. So this is very kindly donated by Matt Nichols. So thank you very much again, Matt. Very much appreciated. This is for the girls' charity build. So as I mentioned on the weekly chat, I'm going to be building this on the channel. I'm going to do a magazine article, and the funds from that will go to the girls' Just Giving page. And then I'm going to sell the model on eBay, and the funds from that are going to go to the girls' Just Giving page. Let's have a sneaky look in the box, because I've never seen one of these in the flesh. Yeah, that looks nice. Fantastic. Look forward to getting started on that. Now, I'm going to be doing this in 72 Squadron colours. My old Tucano Squadron. And I'm even though this is the early version, I'm leaning towards the 3-bladed prop because I just think it looks nicer, and the retrofitted canopy. So I'm going to follow the instructions for the third option in the kit because that had some of the later sort of modifications on it. Right, yeah, beautiful. Really looking forward to that. Okay, this one. See if I can identify where this is from. Right. This is from Spain, I think. Racking my brains to think. I think I know what it might be. It's not from Spain. More bubble wrap. Right, let me just... It's not from Spain, it's from Bristol. So it's from Andy at Antics. A resupply of this stuff, the white cap Tamiya, which I think is brilliant. A lot of the other sort of more viscous glues that I've got end up going really gloopy and stringy with time, but this one doesn't, and I'm running a little bit low. So he asked me how many I wanted, and I said, well, just the one. Yeah, there's that. So I know exactly what this is. This is Eduard's Royal Class P51D Mustang in 72nd scale. And I'm again definitely doing this for the channel. Really excited to see this. And in the box is a whole load of goodies. First of which, one is this nice little sort of pin thing that comes with the kit. But I did get some extras. I got a prop set. This is the uncuffed ones, because I'm going to try and see if I can do a Korean example for one of them. We got these really handy wheel bay masks. Space set. So these are the 3D printed decals and photo etch harness. Yeah, lovely looking thing, that. US National Insignia. Now, as you know, I've got a Portrait 3 cutter, so I could do my own, but these are only a few quid, and it's going to save me a lot of time, so I just got that. Decal sheet. So print scale. Units of the Korean War. So sharks' mouths, big USAFs, stars and bars with red stripes, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll probably do masks for those. And I got this set as well from Lifelike, because first of all, it's got a 78th Fighter Group that's not Big Beautiful Doll. Thank goodness for that. But I also like this one as well. Jackie, is that one? What's the Fighter Group of that one? 356. I really like that red nose with the blue diamond pattern. So I got that decal sheet. I got another set. I think this is the one that comes in the Royal class. There's more goodies in here. Armament and gun sight set from Master. Has that got any resin in it? No. I thought that might be a resin gun sight in there, because it says gun sight. But yeah, that's going to add a layer of refinement. And I think this is the last bit. Or this might come with the, yeah. This has got a plain box on it. So this is the extras that come with the Royal class set. And I'm just going to remind myself what we get, because I can't remember. Oh, they just come flying out of the box. It's wheels and 2 seats, which are really refined. So they're really cool. I didn't realise there were 2 seats in the set, because as we might find out later, I might have bought some more. Right, so that's the Royal class Mustangs. That might be coming out with me. I need to have a serious think, because I'm not going to be back until December. And I do have a pile of stuff out there, and obviously the Spitfire's coming out. Right, this is a big box. It's a massive box. This is the Eduard Spitfire Mark 16 low back, because I'm going to be doing a conversion of the Laminar Flow Designs Mark 14, and I wanted a Mark 18, so I got this. So that'll be handy for that. And the last big box. I think I know what's in here. This is from the Scale Model Shed down in Somerset. Fellow YouTuber. Great modeler. Some of his models have had hundreds of thousands of views, which is absolutely amazing. So I wish I could have that rather than my 1,500, 2,000. Right, invoice blah. Pop them. Right, this one is 48 scale Mark 8. Same thing. I'm going to be doing a Mark 14 in 48 scale. And I thought there is an outside chance that Matthew's going to have the 48 scale set ready and to me in time. A very outside chance. If it arrives, then these two will come back out with me. If it doesn't arrive, then it won't. Simple as that. Right, that is it. Now, I am expecting another box with some stuff, with some kits in that clearly hasn't arrived yet. So there might be a pop-up unboxing for that. I think what I'll do is I'm going to leave it there. This has been, what, 11 minutes already. So let's just call this part 1. This is the sort of kits. And what I'll do now is I'll film the other one. And I'll just release them 2 separate videos. Otherwise, it's going to be half an hour long and you're all going to fall asleep. So, yeah, thanks very much for watching this one. Look out for part 2. And I'll see you in a sec. Cheers. Bye-bye.